Welcome back, guys. So right now we want to talk about resume design. Like you need resume, and you can actually offer it as a service as a graphic designer. I'll show you how to create resume. Of course, I'll show you how to create a resume. And one thing I want you to know about resume is that you need resume for jobs. That's if you want to apply for actual jobs, and there are people that need these services. There are people that need it for getting jobs and all that. So you could provide these services as a graphic designer. So a resume is a document that summarizes a person's skills, background, and accomplishments, and is often used to apply for jobs. And the purpose of a resume is that resume is a way to highlight your best qualities to potential employers, and the length of a resume is usually 1 or 2 pages long. What to include? A resume typically includes your work history, education, achievements, contact information, and a resume summary. So with Canva, we can create a resume easily because there are templates, and I'll show you how to do it in a very easy way so you can create resumes for yourself. So what to include: if you have little work experience, if you're applying for an entry level job, you can focus on your education, projects, volunteering, hobbies, and interests. What to include in your contact information: your full name, phone number, email address, city, state, and zip code. What to include in your resume summary: a concise overview of your skills, qualifications, and career goals. How to tailor your resume: read the job description and make minor changes to your resume to highlight relevant skills and experience. How to format your resume: use a well-defined structure, consistent formatting, and align text and columns. You can use a free resume online resume builder like Canva to create your resume. So this is where we are going. So your resume is very simple. It's just a document created and used by a person to present their background, skills, and accomplishments. Resume can be used for a variety of reasons, but most often are used to secure new jobs, whether in the same organization or other. So there are different resumes, as you could see, but we're going to use Canva to template our resumes. As you could see, there are different resumes right here, and some of these resumes are looking good. So this is what a resume looks like, and we'll be creating one right now. So you could see this is what a resume looks like, and right now we'll be creating one. So let me show you some templates. So we have resume templates, but we have to create one. So what to do is you open your Canva, and when you open your Canva, what I'm going to do is to look for a resume. All I have to do is to use my search icon to look for a resume, and this is my search icon right here. So I'll use this to look for a resume. This is my search icon, so I'll search for a resume. Of course, I'll say resume. It's just as easy as that. Just type resume on Canva, and it's going to bring out different templates. You're going to see different templates. So we are going to customize one of these templates for you to get a job or provide it as a service to other people, and you can easily make money from this as well. So we are going to create a resume in the next lesson. I'll show you how to create it. We're going to use generative AI to prompt the content of the resume. Then I'll show you how to create one for yourself. I hope to see you in the next lesson.